In today's video...
Ew, what is that?
Oh, I feel so sick.
Excuse me, what do you think you're doing?
I'm watching TV. Why?
No, I mean the coughing. Why are you coughing?
I'm coughing because I'm sick. I don't feel well.
Well, go do that somewhere else. Don't do that over here on the couch where everybody can catch your cooties. Go back to bed.
I'm not going back to sleep. I have to go to school soon, so I gotta get ready.
Why are you going to school if you're sick?
Because I have a test to study for and I don't want to miss any information.
Yeah, okay, whatever, nerd. I just don't want to get sick, so you keep your nasty, nasty germs to yourself, okay? Ew, you threw your snot rag at me.
Okay, kids, it's time to put away the puzzles. And after we put those away, it's time to play with the entire class some Scrabble.
Wow, she talks a lot. Can't she just take a break and let us chill out for a minute?
Ugh, when is the bell gonna go? I feel so sick. My throat hurts so much. Ugh, what's that smell? And don't forget about our little quiz tomorrow. Excuse me, when was it ever okay to put your feet on the desk?
Oh, I totally forgot that I'm not at home.
So you're getting a little bit too comfortable over here.
No, I feel scared all the time. Like I feel scared right now. Definitely not comfortable.
Jenny, dear, you need to cover your mouth when you're coughing.
I'm sorry. I don't feel that well.
Maybe it's a good time to send you home.
Oh, can I walk her home, please?
Absolutely not. You need to stay here and take notes for your sister.
Notes? But I never take notes.
It's true, he doesn't take notes. Well, don't you worry. I'm going to hold him accountable. Today, you're going to take notes like a champion.
Crap.
Now, let's make sure to call your mother and tell her to pick you up. Hi, honey. I came as fast as I could. You're not feeling well?
No, I have such a sore throat.
Come on. Let's go home. 2 hours later.
Do you mind with your cooties? I'm trying to watch TV here, and you're coughing up a fur ball. You're not even covering your mouth.
A fur ball? What are you talking about?
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
I can't help it. I'm feeling sick.
You don't have to sit here and watch TV either. But I want to watch TV. That's your problem.
Ew, what is that? I just coughed that out.
Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna throw up in my mouth. That is nasty.
Jenny, I'm gonna be real with you. This is a tonsil stone.
A tonsil stone? What's a tonsil stone?
Let me show you what a tonsil stone is, Jenny. Let's pretend this is your mouth. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Just kidding.
Okay.
Anyways, you don't see it on here, but usually at the very back of your mouth, there's some tonsils. And sometimes tonsil stones will build up and get stuck in there. And that can cause a sore throat, which is what you have right now. Now, one of them came loose and you coughed it up, but I bet there's some more back there, so let's have a look. Tilt back your head and open your mouth. Yep. Just as I suspected. You have more in there.
I have more?
You sure do. Let's get them out today so they won't bug you anymore. We're gonna use this tool right here.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, I'm a professional. I can do it. It'll go really fast. Now tilt your head back again and let's see your tonsils. There's the first one. And let's see if there's another one in there. Aha! There we go. Look at the size of that tonsil stone.
Wow. Can I bring it home to show Maggie?
Sure, I'll put it in a jar for you.
Thanks.
Oh, Lizzie, sweetie, wake up. Time to get up for breakfast. Come on.
Okay, Mom. I'll get up. Oh, I'm so tired. Why does my eye feel so itchy?
It was a Saturday morning and I was busy cleaning. Jenny was busy doing her homework all morning until finally she just thought to herself, "Oh, I'm so thirsty."
I wonder if I still have some apple juice left in the fridge.
So she stopped doing her homework and headed over quickly to the fridge.
Maggie, can you hurry up? I'm really thirsty. Yeah, well, you're not the only one that is thirsty around here.
Don't mind my rusty, nasty fridge. It's from 1998, and my landlords, who are both doctors, just don't want to replace it.
Maggie, hurry up. I need to get back to doing my homework. What's taking you so long? Just a minute. Aha! There it is.
No, you're not.
What do you mean, no, I'm not? Yes, I am.
No, you're not. That's my apple juice. Give it back.
You don't own any apple juice in our fridge.
Where's Mom? I think something is wrong with my eye.
Ew. That's nasty. What do you have in your eye?
That doesn't look good. You need to go tell Mom.
Yeah, but definitely don't come anywhere near me. That looks gross.
Oh, it does? I don't want to look gross. Don't worry. I think it'll be all fine. You just gotta go to the doctor's. Ew. So we hopped into the car and headed off to a walk-in clinic. Alright, let's have a look at that eye. That is looking not so good.
Is it okay?
We're about to find out. Okay, Lizzie, I'm going to do a few tests on you. First, we're going to check your temperature. That looks fine. Have you been vomiting at all? No. Any diarrhea? No. Okay, dear. I'm going to have a quick listen to your heart. That sounds fine too. I'm also going to check your blood pressure. And we're all good here as well.
Is my eye going to be okay?
Yes, dear. You see, you got pink eye, so I'm going to prescribe you some eye drops for you to take for a whole week. And then it'll be all better. Thanks so much, doctor. I appreciate it. Take care. See you next week. So we got into the car and we headed off to the next pharmacy. Actually, we headed to my favorite pharmacy because they got lots of cute little things for sale in there. Let's go have a look. Alright, we're in the pharmacy section, and here are the eye drops. And I just gotta check which ones the doctor said for her to use. There it is! Okay, let's pay for it and then head home. And when we get home, we're gonna put those eye drops into Lizzie's eye. I wonder what she'll be like. Meanwhile, at home. Oh, Louie, what happened? Did you fall off the car? It's okay, sweetheart. Come here, let's get you up. It's okay. Was that ouchy? Oh, I bet. Here, let me clean your nose. Blow into the tissue. There, good job. Now, did you need to go potty? You do? Okay, come on. Let's go potty. Auntie's so proud of you. Here you go. You can go potty on the big potty, Louie. What's wrong, Louie? You don't want to go potty? Louie, so you just want to go pee in your pants? No, you don't. I know you like going on the potty. Come on, you know you want to. I tell you what, if you go on the potty, I will give you a Rice Krispie. What do you say? Do you want to go on the potty? Louie, I'm so proud of you that you went on the potty. But let's not tell your mom that you ate a Rice Krispie at the same time, okay? Good job flushing. Okay, let's wash your hands. Good job, and now your hands are all clean. High five.
Oh, I can't believe that just happened.
Excuse me, Derek.
Oh, hey, Mindy. How's it going? What are you doing?
I'm a little bored. What are you doing? What are you reading?
Oh, I'm reading an anime comic book. Why?
Oh, nothing. I wish I could read something.
Well, once I'm done reading my book, I could read something for you.
No, like I want to read something on my own. Maybe you could teach me how to read.
No.
Please, Derek.
No, I don't want to.
Why? That's so mean. I want to learn how to read. Please, Derek.
Listen, I'm not a teacher. I'm just a big brother who does not want to teach you how to read.
But Derek, I'm really smart.
Okay, fine. What do you want to read?
How about your book?
No, this animation book is about monsters, and you're not gonna read that. You're too little for that. Let's find something for your age.
Like what?
Alright, the reading level of this is beginners. It's perfect for you.
It's for babies. I don't want to read a book for babies.
Yeah, well, you're Delulu. You're barely past baby age.
Well, that's stupid.
Alright, listen. Do you want me to teach you how to read or not? Because this is a beginner's book and you're gonna learn.
Okay.
Okay, this is a really easy word. See, there's a K, you say like K, and then an O, which goes like and then an A, which is like and then an L, which is like and then another A, which is like
Oh, I know.
Really? You do?
It spells Coca-Cola.
Oh boy.
Lizzie, come out from under the table. I gotta give you your eye drops.
But Mom, I don't want to. It's scary. I don't want anything to go into my eye.
It's not gonna hurt at all. It'll be literally a second. No, come out from under the table. I will give you a cookie right after, okay?
No, not today. I don't think so. I'm not getting any eye drops.
Lizzie!
No, my eye is just feeling fine now. It's all better.
Lizzie, come back here. You need to get those eye drops in.
No, I don't believe you. I don't want to.
The doctor said you have to.
No, she's lying. My eyes are fine.
Jenny, Maggie, you guys help me stop her.
Don't do it. Help me. No, what are you doing? I don't want to get eye drops.
Lizzie, it's not gonna take that long. It's just a second and it won't hurt.
I'm with you on those eye drops, Lizzie, but it's not me getting them, so sorry. Oh, you guys suck. You're supposed to be on my side.
Okay, Lizzie, I'm sorry, but this has to be done. You gotta get these eye drops and it's not gonna hurt at all. There you go. All done.
That's it?
Yep, that's it.
Oh, well, I didn't feel anything at all.
That wasn't so bad.
Yeah, well, I told you, but you're just a wuss.
Wow, the weather's pretty crappy. I think it's going to rain. Looks like I'm not gonna go outside today. I think I'll just stay in and play video games.
Hey, Derek, do you want to come play outside with me on the playground? We can play some soccer.
No thanks. Looks like it's gonna rain, and I don't want to get wet.
Well, that's fine. I'm still gonna go play with the neighbor kids. I'm bored.
Okay, you go do that. Have fun.
Where are you guys going?
Oh, I was quickly gonna go outside and see if the neighbor kids want to play.
I'm not gonna go anywhere. I was just looking out the window to check out the weather. I'm gonna go play video games.
Well, that's fine. But you, Jenny, you need to put on a raincoat. It looks like it's gonna rain outside.
I don't want to put on a raincoat. It always gets so warm.
No. I need you to wear a jacket because I don't want you to get sick in case it rains. I don't want to have to cancel our trip to the amusement park in a couple of days. Everyone is looking forward to it. So wear a jacket. And that goes for you too, Derek, if you're going outside.
I'm not going outside.
This is so stupid. I'm just gonna go outside without a jacket. It's not raining.
And there she goes. No jacket. I have a pretty bad feeling about this. And there's the rain.
30 minutes later.
Oh, it is so yucky and cold outside. I didn't think it was gonna rain. Whoa! Look at you. You're completely drenched from the rain outside.
You know, you should have really worn a jacket. Mom's gonna be pretty pissed.
Shut up. I know that now. But it's too late. I know I should have worn a jacket, but I'm drenched in rain now. So I need to go get changed before Mom finds out.
Jenny?
Oh, crap.
What did I tell you about going outside without your coat?
But Mom, I didn't go outside.
Then why are your clothes and your hair wet? Did you guys see her go outside? Well, did you?
Mom, I'm not gonna get sick from being in the rain for a little bit.
Yeah, we will see. Hopefully not. Come on, let's put a towel on you.
Mom, stop it. You're pulling my hair.
Well, you can't stay wet like this. I gotta go grab a new outfit for you, okay? Because your clothes are wet.
You're making such a big deal out of this. I'm not gonna get sick, I guarantee you. You better not. I have been waiting for this trip to the amusement park for months, and you're not gonna screw it up. All because of a stupid cold.
I'm not getting a cold, Maggie. Don't worry.
I go outside all the time without a jacket, and sometimes I'm in the rain, but I usually don't get sick, so don't worry, okay? This better be true, otherwise you and I are gonna have a problem.
Oh my goodness. What the heck is her problem? She's completely delulu. Here you go. Get out of those wet clothes and into these pajamas.
I don't like these pajamas, Mom. They're too warm.
Then find something yourself. 3 hours later.
Ew, Louie, can you not fart over here? That is so gross. No, I don't want to play ball. Go ask someone else. Ow, that's not nice, baby Louie. Here, I don't want to play right now.
Okay, guys, who's ready for a snack? Baby Louie? Jenny?
Hi, Mom.
What's going on? Are you not feeling well?
I don't know, I guess not.
Here, can you sit up, please? I want to check something.
Okay.
You don't look well. Let's see. You're feeling a little bit feverish, Jenny. I think you're getting sick.
No, I'm not, Mom. I'm not sick. Oh, I knew it. I knew you were sick. You are ruining it for everyone, and I can't go to the amusement park anymore.
That's not true. I'm just tired from playing outside.
Oh no. Achoo! I told you were gonna get sick.
Oh, stop it, Maggie.
I have been waiting forever for this amusement park trip and you gotta ruin everything. Louie, you smell like farts. Why?
You guys need to stop it. Stop fighting. Jenny can't help it that she got sick, okay? She didn't do it on purpose. But you need to go to bed and rest. And you, Maggie, you need to stay away from her or you're gonna get sick as well. And you, baby Louie, you need a little snack, okay? Come on, baby boy. Later that afternoon. Oh, I feel so sick. Oh, my nose is so runny. Knock, knock. It's me. I got you something to drink, some lemonade. Try some. Oh, thanks, Mom. It's pretty good. Anyways, I brought the thermometer so we could check the temperature on your forehead. Okay. Yep, you definitely have a fever, honey. So we gotta give you something for that, okay?
Ew, I don't want to. They all taste very yucky.
This one doesn't even taste that bad.
I don't want to.
Honey, the doctor said for you to take it, okay?
Okay. Ew, it tastes gross.
I know, they don't taste the greatest, but it will help. Do you want anything else?
I think I feel sick. Oh no, no, no.
That's so gross.
Out of the way, move it.
Oh no.
Ew, that was close. I'm sick. You know what, Jenny? This is all your fault.
I know. Hey everyone, did you guys like this Reborn roleplay video? If you did, check out these ones from our channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.